What's up guys, Pat Gagliano here from Finished Basements. So this is a real special one. I just came through the garage right here and they use this as like the main entrance to the home. So we're gonna walk you through this and show you the laundry room, which we created like a mud room, really sharp. But first thing I wanna point out is we opened up these stairs right here. So not only did we open up the stairs down here like we always do, but in this case, we opened up the upstairs as well. Makes a huge difference. And you know, the sound does come up there, but the basement feels twice the size and it's just part of the home. So you'll see when you come in here, this is the main part of the basement and the family area. We got this great fireplace. It's actually a gas fireplace, so it lets off a lot of heat. Really almost heats the whole downstairs and the heat goes upstairs as well. But a lot of cool features here. We got these decorative built-ins on each side with these floating shelves. We have the brick, obviously, and we had some low ceilings down here. So we're trying to figure out what to do with them. There's not much we could do. In this case, we put some shiplap on here. So it's a real cozy room. We got a lot of natural light coming in here. So although this is not a giant basement with giant ceilings, it really came a long way. Coming through here, we had challenges with the height, obviously with the ductwork in the basement, but we created a little hidden storage under the stairs. Go two different ways here. We're gonna go into the office. So they needed an office to work from home, and how great is this, right? Beautiful glass door, custom glass door I might add. We got another hidden panel right there. Great desk setup, and I like the way it's set up here too, because you could sit here, look out the door, see the kids playing. You know, so it's multifunctional as well. There's a little couch in here, watch some TV as well if the kids are in the other room. But then from here, we have just outside, we have this little wet bar. How nice is this, right? Again, there's a lot going on in this basement. We got cabinets, again, floating shelf, fridge, sink. So it's just perfect location too, right outside the office, just next to the TV area. And then this way here, we do have a full bath. And we're not done. We got more coming. So look at this bathroom right here. Great tile work, big shower. Actually, you wouldn't expect a shower this big in a bathroom this size. And again, we grabbed some of that shiplap in here. Big 48-inch vanity. So with this size basement, you wouldn't expect all this, and we're not done. Last thing I want to bring you guys to is just adjacent to the door we came in by the stairs, we have another door here, glass door into this laundry room. Look how cool this is. We have a sitting bench here with cubbies, the kids put their shoes away. Of course, we have a laundry room here. What's really nice about this is not only does this door lead into the basement, but this is the door from the garage. So there's actually two doors from the garage. One comes in here for the kids to get on changed and whatever they need with their coats, another one directly into the basement. So overall, basement's just fantastic. You can see we got the exit back out here to the staircase, and just opens up to this area. So super happy with the way this one laid out, really proud of this. So if you want to see more like this, follow us on all our social media, and we got a lot more coming.